Okay, my dear followers, this time again for an Opel Astra DTM. This one is using a Carson body. Carson made a lot of bodies in Germany. This one is a clear edition of the one I painted here in yellow. It's DTM 2000 edition, sized as narrow 110. And last week I found finally a complete kit to perform the winning edition of the 2003 Nurburgring 24-hour race. So I took the body. Okay, you have noticed here that there is the place for the manifold of Tamiya edition, but nowadays it's very hard to find narrow Astra body. You can find the HPI, which is 2000 mm wide. This one is 190 mm wide, like Tamiya. But I did not notice at the beginning that is a little information here. It's for 180 millimeters wide body, and there start the problems. At first, when I tried to look at the glasses mask, I saw immediately that they were a tiny bit more little. So I made customs, and when I started to apply windscreen stickers, I understand my mistake. So I cheated a bit, repented both sides. Okay. But then started another fight with stickers because they don't want to stay on the car. As you can see, I have did this kit 3 days ago, and most of the stickers want to take off the car. I don't know if they are ashamed of my work, which isn't bad at all, as you can see. When you compare, I wonder why they put this rear light, as there should be red ones. Why did Carson use that customs lights? Don't know. Is it very hard to cut the stickers? Mainly the Opel side. You have to cut it because you can't stick it on the body easily. I did my best, and when you are 1 meter away, it's okay, but when you are close to it, and when you know the tricks, it's not good at all. Maybe I'm too hard with myself, but I wanted to do something clean. Well, it's near clean, but it's not really. And I wonder who did an Astra with 180 millimeters wide, as Carson sold 190 millimeters left. As you can see, there is the Carson numbers. Maybe next week I will receive a Kyosho Vauxhall Astra Edition 2000, and I will try to measure if it fits well on it or not. This one, when you take the top stickers of the windscreen, it is 10 centimeters wide. The Tamiya edition and the body edition is 11 centimeters wide, and the HPE is 12 centimeters wide. If you have any clue, or if you know where I can track and found the right body, let me know, please. Thank you for watching.